If you bought Bitcoin 1 year ago, your money would have 11%. If you bought Ethereum, 84%. If you bought Cardano, 204%. If you bought BNB, your money would have 823% appreciated. Contrary to other risky assets, at the end of the year, the most important factor that will play a key role in the outlook in 2022 of cryptocurrencies, which regressed somewhat and followed a horizontal course with the messages given by the Fed, will again be the monetary policy to be followed by Fed. It's predicted that cryptocurrencies will continue to rise regardless of macroeconomic balances in an environment where technology companies such as Meta Platforms and Apple increasingly focus on the metaverse area and consumers are more interested in NFTs. The price of cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors to consider. You will need to research the latest news and the developments to find out why the price of the cryptocurrency is rising. For example, is cryptocurrency more accepted? Has it entered a new partnership? If you see some big companies or public figures investing in the cryptocurrency, it usually has a positive effect on the price, though the first cryptocurrency is, of course, Bitcoin. Fairlet Strategies LLC co-founder Katia Stockton said, "The indicators we follow for long-term trends say that Bitcoin will continue its upward trend in the long run," said Katia Stockton. "We predict that the uptrend will protect itself in the long run and hard upward breaks may allow rises that can reach $19,000. Although there are signs in the downward movements will end in the short term, there is still the possibility of a corrective action." Anthony Trencher, managing partner of crypto platform Nexo, predicts that 2022 will be turbulent, yet Bitcoin will reach $100,000 by the end of June, stating that the main subject he is excited about for 2022 is the metaverse. Trencher noted that metaverse has a great potential and that he thinks the main topic of the next year will be the metaverse infrastructure and NFTs, which will be an important part of the economy there. Stefan Ehrlich, CEO of Voyager Digital, agrees with Trencher, telling The Independent that the ups will outweigh the downs next year. Ehrlich predicted that Bitcoin will exceed $100,000. Rick Edelman, founder Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals, has also released various 2022 predictions for the crypto market. Edelman predicted that more than 500 million people worldwide will own Bitcoin by the end of the year. According to a report by Cointelegraph, Laurie Marquez, co-founder of crypto credit institution BlockFi, also believes that a possible regulation will increase the adoption of cryptos. The world's largest bank, JP Morgan, revealed its Bitcoin predictions for the end of 2022 in a survey with its customers. According to this survey, 41% of respondents expect Bitcoin to complete the year 2022 at around $60,000. On the other hand, 5% expect Bitcoin to rise to $100,000. Ethereum, one of the world's largest cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is on the agenda with its 2022 price target. Analysts are making some price comments. Considering these comments, we can say that 2022 will be a little more positive. It is stated that this crypto money gained will burn more in 2022 and thus its price will increase significantly. Many analysts say that the price may quickly exceed for $5,000 during the new bull season this year. It is argued that the NFT craze is pushing the viability of Ethereum to higher levels. An Ethereum-based NFT marketplace, OpenSea, processes millions of dollars of transactions over and over every week. The emergence of new platforms like Lookrare, which is already taking the market by storm, is fueling the enthusiasm even more. In a recent report, JP Morgan said with NFTs being the fastest growing universe in the crypto ecosystem, Ethereum's share in the NFT space may be more important for future valuation than its share in the DeFi spaces. Third one is Cardano. 2022 could be the year of Cardano. The Cardano ecosystem is growing and continues to evolve into a grounded project. Cardano is one of the top coins because of its innovations and fundamental principles and has attracted the attention of experienced traders. As a result of massive investment in currency and a well-experienced staff, the project has everything it needs to be successful in the future. Current Cardano prices are about 7 or 8 times more valuable than 2021 entry prices, so investors who have been holding Cardano for 1 year are still in pretty good situation. The Cardano network has been experiencing important expansions and technical updates in recent days. These studies may have a positive impact on Cardano prices. Now, Cardano network has started to host many smart contracts, metaverse and NFT platforms. The demands of Cardano residents will also positively affect their prices. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. It can reach a maximum value of $1.75 by 2022. Fourth is Tether. Tether is now widely known in the cryptocurrency world with a very promising crypto status. Tether is a serious project with a strong team behind crypto with a lot of expertise. Currently, Tether is becoming one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the worldwide, partly due to partnership with a number of major companies and Tether's social acceptance. Tether's future looks very bright. These two factors also contribute to the very good Tether price forecast for 2022. The price is rising because more and more people are investing in this cryptocurrency. Many cryptocurrency experts believe that the price of Tether will rise sharply in the future. This is partly because the crypto market in general is on the rise and more widely known, and there are even governments interested in it. Fifth, Chainlink. With its strong infrastructure, Chainlink is among the cryptocurrencies with high potential. With its strong Oracle infrastructure, it brings important innovations and suggestions to real and crypto money markets, may break the all-time record in this year. Master analysts think that the Chainlink price will rise even higher in 2022. Experts stated that they accept a fourfold increases in Chainlink price in 2022. They even said it could go up to $100, and we wouldn't be surprised at that. Chainlink's Oracle technology bridges the gap between the real economy and blockchain. If you want to transfer the data in the real economy to the blockchain, you should purchase an Oracle service. Chainlink, on the other hand, offers this service very cheaply and securely. For this reason, world giants buy Oracle service from Chainlink. Similarly, Oracle services are vitally important for data transfer between blockchains. Especially DeFi platforms need Oracle services to pull price information. DeFi platforms, which have a market segment of about $200 billion, buy Oracle services from Chainlink at a high rate. Sixth one is Polkado. Polkado is among the coins to be followed closely. Polkado is currently $17.59 and is ranked 11th on the most valuable coins list. It looks like this year Polkado price will have reached a similar level to previous all-time highs. By 2022, we can expect an average price of $28.39. If all goes well, it is estimated that Polkado's maximum price could reach as high as $31.94. According to analysis, Polkado will provide strong gains to its investor in the long run. We all know that for the past few years, Polkado has not performed as well as other Layer 1 blockchains. However, it is predicted by experts that it can reach the moon. It may reach ETH levels in 2022. On the other hand, traders bought on the lows. This allowed Polkado to rise above his general resistance. In other words, Polkado can make its investors smile in the long run in 2022. Our last cryptocurrency is Solana. They received help from very large organizations and gave the expectations of their investors. The number of transactions per second that Faded can do is over 50,000. It is very positive that they can make their investors happy even though it is only a 1 or 2 years old ecosystem. A system with the largest processing power per second. Not only the speed but also the costs are unbelievable low. Blockchain systems are written in a magnificent language with a simplicity. They have a team of founders who have worked at higher levels in Intel, Dropbox, and Google. I hope you found the video noteworthy. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel to support me.